What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, creating a sketch illustration of Super Saiyan Vegeta for Dragon Ball Z. Let's begin today's lesson by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We're going to start from the very top. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Now let's move to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. Now I'm going to use these two lines to help us create a circle in the center of our page. So from that center point, let's move up to the top, mark off the top of our circle. Now I want to take this same distance down towards the bottom, and mark off the bottom area. And we'll repeat that same process across this horizontal line. So taking this distance from the center over towards the left and the right side. Let's connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So we're going to start with the top left. I'm going to rough this in, and the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to get the right size and placement in the center of our page. I can always go back and just smooth this out. Let's go out to the side of our circle and draw another straight line coming all the way down. And then from the bottom of our circle, draw another line going out from left to right. Now with our guides in place, let's start blocking out the basic facial features. In the center along the bottom, I'm going to draw two lines, one going up on the left and one on the right. Now from the bottom, we're just going to go up and out towards the left side, going across the bottom edge of the circle towards the side, and do the same thing on the right side. Now right where that line meets the outside of our circle, it's going to angle the eyebrows, going up and in. And I'll just taper this down and then back in toward that same starting point. Now from the outside corner of the brow, we're going to step in. It's going to angle the eye, coming down and in towards that bottom line. From the bottom of the eye, let's step up, curve this in, and then bend that down. Now from that point in between the eyes, I want to move down and just mark off the bottom edge of the nose with another straight line. And then from that point, angle the nose going up and out towards the left and right. Angle that up and back in towards the center. Now just underneath the tip of the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, coming down and then across. From the ends, angle the mouth coming down and in towards the bottom. And we'll flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the bottom edge of the mouth, step down and just draw a short line going across the chin. Step down again and go all the way across from left to right. Now I want to add some shape to the outside of the head. Let's start from the left side of our circle. Just going to angle the head, just sloping it down and in towards the jaw to right about there, towards this line. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the jaw, angle the head, coming down and in towards the chin. Now we're going to go back up to the eyes and draw a half circle for the iris. Starting on the left side, come down and up, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now we can always come back and just readjust the placement later. Now we're going to go out to the side of the temples, add the hair, going up and in with a straight line. And go straight out towards the side of our circle. From the outside of the circle, bend this up and then in towards the top edge of the hairline. Draw a short angle line going up and in. Now from here, we just want to bend the hair coming in and then down towards that center line. Now I want to place the ears along the side of the head. Let's start on the top left. Angle this up and out on either side, and it comes straight down. Just want to add the basic shape of the ear, come back down and then in. And now we're going to block in the hair. Let's start from the top of our circle. We're going to step down. I want to bend this out and then up towards the left and right side, going up towards the same height. From the tips, bend this out and then down. And we'll bend this down and back in towards the side of the head. Let's add that large centerpiece. Starting over on the left side, bend this up and in. Straight up toward that center point. Go across and then back down on the right. Let's add one spike on the left side. Go up and in, and then come down, just blend that out. Now add another set of spikes along the outside. Starting on the left, blend this out and up. Come down and in along the side. And it's going to bend this in on top of the ears. Let's add another spike over on the right side, going up and just tucking that back down. Let's add a smaller spike along the side of the head. So from this point, angle up and out, come down and in along the side, and angle that back in towards the side of the ear. And add two more smaller spikes on either side. Let's start underneath the ear with a straight line going out, angle this down and then in towards the side of the jaw. I'm going to add one smaller one along the side. Now just underneath the jaw, it's going to slope the shoulders, going out and then down. Let's block in the straps, starting from the top, bend this down and in, step out and draw that same curve. Now along the bottom of the strap, draw a straight line going across, just line that up. On the inside, angle this down and in, and flatten off the center. Now with our rough sketch in place, let's go back and remove some of these guidelines. Now that we have our clean sketch, we're going to go back and refine our detail. Let's start with the center of the brow. Just working our way across the eyebrows on either side. Just adding some more folds. Just pull the bottom of the eyebrow out along the side. Now we can go in and just add a little bit of texture inside the hair. Just with these lines. Once we're happy with the general shape of our drawing, we go back and just darken up our contrast and also continue to add some more details. So I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm just going to lightly shade in the pupils. And now we're going to go back and just darken up the hair and just fade that in as you come in towards the face. So we're just enhancing the outside contours. Let's go ahead and start adding our shadows. We'll start by tracing out the shapes first. Just highlighting the areas that we're going to be adding the shadows first. And then go in with a crosshatch pattern, just going across in one direction. Just going to add some shadows to the center of the forehead. And go in and add those shadows. head's going to cast a darker shadow across the top of the body. Now let's finish off our drawing by adding a little bit more shadow and darken up the contours of our drawing. And always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Super Saiyan Vegeta. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.